Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is a fun one. It's going to be a fall porch and home decor tour, I guess. I mean, listen, I'm just gonna give it to you guys straight right now. Here's the situation. This is all for show, okay? The hat, the sweater, it's all to give you the fall vibes. It's currently about 90 degrees here. I am sweating in places that I didn't know that you could sweat. It is hot. Also, I only have a sweater and a hat on. That's not true. I do have pants on. That sounded bad. I have pants on. But the thing is that I'm wearing like some exercise pants and some ugly sandals. I look like a hobbit from the waist down. We're gonna stick with the shot from here up. I'm gonna give you a little tour. Again, this is like the lazy girl's version of a cute porch. I'm not super into going crazy with indoor decor for fall. I'm not sure why. Maybe it's because I like to really decorate a ton for Christmas, so I don't also want to decorate a ton for fall. So I try to keep it really simple. Especially inside, but the porch is the one area that I really like to do a lot. I kind of went on Pinterest and looked up different porches to get some ideas because your girl is not crafty like at all, and I got some really cute ideas, and I even enlisted my husband to help me because he's actually way craftier than I am. So the cute pumpkins and stuff that I'm going to show you, the painted pumpkins, he like drew the lines and I painted them. I can't even take credit because a lot of these ideas came from Pinterest and just different things I pulled together for our fall porch. I can't think straight because it's so hot. I can't even think straight. I'm sweating to death. But this cute sweater, I'll leave it linked down below. It's from Loft. I got it for like 40% off. Look, it has a little cutout in the back. Isn't that cute? Like just a little cutout. And I like it because you still have a strap here at the top. So it covers my buffalo hump. You guys who have been around for a while, you know the buffalo hump. So it covers the buffalo hump, but still shows that cute little bit of back. So anyways, it's from Loft, and I really like it. Hat is old from Target, because I know I'm gonna get asked. Without further ado, let's jump into the tour. I'll show you the porch, and inside the house a little bit, the decorations I've put together, and how we are getting in the fall spirit. All right, guys, this is my kitchen. This is basically the only fall decor that is happening in my kitchen. It's just a little plate, candle, and a velvet pumpkin. This is our coffee stand bar thingy, and we've got our Happy Fall Y'all sign and this little turkey here because he's all copper and he matches my little copper things. And then up here is just this little floral arrangement I got at Marshall's. The turkey came from Marshall's too. There's supposed to be candles up there, but haven't done that yet. Now we go into the living room. I just have a very simple candle, some flowers, and a pumpkin. All of these things came from Marshall's. Now onto our mantle. Here again, just very simple. Not much obviously happening at the bottom. Those flower arrangements I made from flowers I got at Hobby Lobby, and I just put some pine cones in the bottom. Again, just a little velvet pumpkin that is from Marshall's. I really like it. I think it's very cute. It kind of, to me, is like a Muppet pumpkin, if that makes any sense. And the little gather sign came from Marshall's as well. You know, the rest of our living room, I really didn't do much. I just added those goldish yellow pillows just to bring in some new colors in here, which I kind of wanted to do anyways. And now we move on to the porch. Just mums and pumpkins and gourds and all the things. You can see some of my mums are already dying because, as I said, it's hot as Hades here. But yeah, I did the little black and white striped pumpkin. Those are actually craft pumpkins from Hobby Lobby. They're not real. And I thought that would be better so I could keep them for future years. So I just painted on them. Ciara drew me some little lines and I painted on them with some craft paint. And then just a cute little steel bucket there that says Fresh Pumpkins, Farm Fresh Pumpkins. Again, another pumpkin with checks. And then the little black towers for candles, those are also from Marshall's. And now the wreath is also from Marshall's. I added the black check ribbon. This sign is from Hobby Lobby, little pumpkin patch sign. And yeah, I added that black checkered ribbon myself just to give it a little something. And then I added these pillows that I got from Target. They're indoor pillows, but I put them out here since it's a covered porch. Love me a good throw pillow. And then this is the extent of my Halloween decorating. A spider web. I hope y'all enjoyed this peek into our fall decor and our little fall porch area. I absolutely love fall. It is my very, very, very favorite season. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Subscribe to my channel if you're not already, and I will see y'all again very soon. Bye.